Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Fantails. This is another update video on how my fantail doves are getting on. So I think the next few weeks it's going to be quite boring because I've shut down the nesting area because I need to give it a deep and disinfectant clean. But I need time to do that. Yeah, so these videos in the next few weeks will just them bathing really. Still looking for advice for any advice about infections and viruses. What affects birds? Because a couple of them are still not 100%. I did give them a dose last week. So just looking at that one there, actually, there, it looks like it's going blind. I don't know if you can see its eyes is like half closed. Yeah. So, yeah, I need some advice, guys, about viruses and tablets I can get as well to clear them, because I've gave them a dose of canker tablets, all of them last week. It's just other viruses I need to know about what I can get tablets for and get them fully vaccinated. It's been very, very hot here in the UK. It's been like 27, 28 degrees all week. Very, very hot and humid, very unusual for September. Normally we do have mild September, but not this hot. We normally have this hot weather like June, July, but yeah. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you to my new and old subscribers. Again, like I said on in the early video. And any advice on tablets I can get to vaccinate on my birds, please leave them in the comments section below. I'll try my very best to answer it. And look out for another update video coming soon.